Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is nicely bounced by the support of this down channel that was previously working as a resistance of the channel, and also bounced by the support of this wedge that I discussed in my last video with you. But by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart, and first of all let me to show you this falling wedge pattern. And as I told you that even though we are having strong sell-off, but we are still above the support. We were at the support of this falling wedge, and also at the support of this previous resistance of the channel. Therefore, I told you that these two supports can hold the price line nicely, and from here we can expect a reversal move. Right now, if we take a look at this smaller time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame, where we have this falling wedge pattern, then we can see that the price line is reached the resistance of this falling wedge. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, where we have this down channel, then after touching this support, the price line is moved up. Now let's move back to this 4-hourly time frame. And as yesterday we had a fake out to the upside, and after this fake out we moved down back and we tested the same support, and you can see nicely the price line is testing this support several times and did not break it down so far. But during this move, we broke down a short-term support that we had here at $36,300, and you can see that in the near short term, previously it has been breaking as a nice resistance and very nice support as well. Therefore, right now, this support of $36,300 can work as a very strong resistance, and also this resistance of the falling wedge is at the same place where we have this support. Now the price line on the 4-hourly time frame needs to break out these both resistance levels together. Now let's move back to the daily time frame. Then here, after touching this support of the previous resistance of the channel, we tested this level as a support and moved up. But during this move to the downside, we broke down two supports. One is the exponential moving average 21 here, and the other one is very strong resistance now, because previously it was very strong support. That is $39,500. And let's take a look at this support. Now it is working as a resistance. Here it worked as a resistance back in January 2022, and here it worked as a support back in September 2021, and here as a support as well. And here we had we had seen that it has been breaking for several days from May 2021 to June 2021 as a very strong resistance. And even before that, when we had this rally started here back in January 2021, more than a year ago, it worked as a very strong resistance. Therefore, this time it can again work as a very strong resistance. And you can see that EMA 21 on the daily time frame and this resistance of $39,500 are at the same place, like we are having on the smaller time frame, the resistance of $36,300 and the resistance of the falling wedge. First, we need to break out these two resistance levels. Then the price line can make an attempt to break out the next resistance of $39,500 and the resistance of this EMA 21. We are at the resistance of this falling wedge. The next few hours are again really very important for the Bitcoin. It is a make or break time for Bitcoin. If it will be able to break it out, this resistance of the falling wedge, then it can also try to break out this resistance of $39,500 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.